DH20 and DH22 Prepare to Ship Guide. When the analyzer needs to be powered off for 7 days or more, please pack the analyzer first. The following steps outline the packing process. Step 1. Click Prepare to Ship and Drain Reagents. On the analyzer's homepage, click Service and Comprehensive Device, then select Prepare to Ship. A pop-up window will appear to guide you through the packing steps. Follow the instructions in the pop-up to remove the diluent and lice. Step 2. Flush the tubes with pure water. After the reagents are completely drained, connect the diluent and lice tubes to pure water. Click OK and the analyzer will automatically draw pure water to flush the tubes. Step 3. Drain the tubes and power off. When the analyzer prompts you to proceed to the next step, remove the tubes and confirm to drain the fluid tubes. Once the tubes are drained, a pop-up will indicate that the process is complete. After packing, turn off the analyzer's power. If you have any questions, please contact Dymind engineers promptly. Thank you for watching.